This is the 2025 Jayco 27BH. You can see this has two nice exterior doors for entry. One goes into the master bedroom. The other one goes up into the living room. A nice outdoor kitchen. Roof ladder. And a rear door that allows access when the bed's folded up to store your bikes or whatever you want to store in there for your travel. We step upside into the living room. You're greeted by two double bunks with 600-pound weight capacity. And off to the rear, nice full bathroom with sink and vanity toilet and stand-up shower. And a nice window and skylight to brighten it up. In the living room, you've got a tri-fold sofa with drink holders. Lots of windows you can see. Bring in your sunlight and or fresh air. Nice fireplace and TV right across from your couch, along with a large cafe-style dinette. Folds down into a bed or seats 4 to 6 people. Huge 12-volt fridge and lower freezer for all your camping goodies. A microwave up top, a 3-burner cooktop, propane oven with lots of drawers, plenty of counter space. Nice large double sinks here in the kitchen and overhead cabinetry. Once you step back into the bedroom, you've got a queen size bed with nice end tables on either side, some mood lighting. Got an optional hanging rack or shelves, plus some more overhead storage both sides of the bed, and a nice big sliding door for privacy. This unit also comes equipped with an on-demand hot water heater and solar. And when we step back outside, it has the Lippard solid step stairs. Make them very stable, easy to get in and out. This has got twin axles. Again, this is the 2025 Jayco Jay Feather 27BH at a Wasco RV Center.